take the left hand. You're still opposite the Al Madina supermarket. This Al Madina supermarket, just opposite it, you take the left side of your hand. Just move straight. Your left side of your hand. Just move straight. Be going. Count the next 3 shops. The first 3 shops. 1, 2, 3 is Adamjee Cellular. The next 3 shops. 1, 2, and third one is Adamjee Cellular. Adamjee Cellular. You're welcome to the premises of Adamjee Cellular. In Adamjee Cellular, we deal with the best and the well-quality tested stock. Right here is where I gave you the location. If you want to know or update yourselves with our products, this is our channel. We are on YouTube. Just subscribe. We are on follow us. You can follow us on TikTok. You can also follow us on Facebook. Adamjee Cellular is AST. From 2015 till now, we still remain the same, and we still got the name, bro. This is Adamjee Cellular. As I'm saying, Adamjee Cellular. Adamjee, that is the name of the company. A very well-trusted company we've been dealing in only iPhones, and we are located in Dubai Naif Market, opposite the Al Madina supermarket, close to the Quality Hotel. That is where we are being situated. We deal in all models: XR, XS Max, 11 Pro Max, series of 11, 12, 12 Pro, all series with the best rated prices, well tested stock, available in Adamjee Cellular. Bro, come around. I have some varieties of stocks I need to show you, bro. This is what I'm talking about. 256 GB, all colors available. I have the stock. 11 Pro Max, all colors available. 11 Pro Max, I have the green color, I have the gold color, I have the black color, I have white color, with a very good, well rated prices. All colors available in Adamjee Cellular.